Are you looking for the best mini fridges? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mini fridges on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Techo Mini Fridge with Freezer. At only 35 decibels, the Techo Compact, around $186, is one of the quietest models out there, so it won't disturb your work or study. And with 7 temperature settings ranging from 23 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, you can keep beverages incredibly cold. This space-saving mini fridge has a compact size of 17.83 W, 20.47 L, 33.5 H, yet it offers a roomy capacity of 3.0 cu-foot, which the freezer is 0.98 cu-foot, and the fridge is 2.02 cu-foot. Two-door design allows your food and drinks to be stored more organized. Having a noise level of 37 dB, the small refrigerator is remarkably quiet, providing an undisturbed indoor environment for your home. It could be placed study room or bedrooms without worrying about its noise. Fridge temperature is 7 setting adjustable, ranging from 23 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, offering you plenty of flexibility and increasing energy efficiency. Certified by Energy Star, it consumes as little as 0.73 kilowatt-hours of electricity and $9 daily. It keeps your energy bill low at the same time delivering a low-carbon lifestyle. LED fridge light makes it easier to find things at night. Door hinge is interchangeable and the front leg is height adjustable, fulfilling your different needs. The large vegetable box and glass shelves are removable for easier cleaning. Your purchase includes 1x Techo Compact Refrigerator TAMF34, 1x User Manual, 1x Crisper Drawer, 2x Removable Glass Shelf, 1x Ice Scraper. Techo offers a 2-year quality promise for its products which ensure your worry-free purchase. Has a crisper drawer. Large freezer capacity. Ice scraper included. Number 2. Gallons Retro Compact Mini Fridge with Freezer. With a cool throwback design, the Gallons Retro, AX $250, won't be an eyesore in a shop or games room. It's available in 4 colors and a variety of sizes, ranging from 2.5 cubic feet all the way up to 12, so you can find one that meets your exact needs. Retro Compact Refrigerator uses our 600A high efficiency and low energy consumption compressor. It can cool food quickly with lower energy. Leveling legs can adjust feet and keep level placement anywhere. Product dimensions: 19.17-inch WX 35.16 HX 23.31D. Temperature range: refrigerator 32F to 47F. Freezer compartment equals 0F. Electrical requirements: 120 V/60 Hz. Weight: 58.4 pounds. Glass shelves can separate your different types of food. A removable slide-out glass shelf provides more ways to organize your storage needs. Gallons refrigerator can be controlled manually with the control dial from cool to cold to coldest. You can turn the knob to set the temperature you want. Storage double door design: freezer compartment can be used for storing frozen foods or making ice cubes. The door offers a spot for your favorite canned beverages. Freezer is large. Interior LED light. Door is not reversible. Number 3. RCA RFR 836 3.2 CUFT 2-door fridge and freezer. Available in black or silver, the RCA RFR 836, around $164, is a reasonably priced model from a well-known and reliable manufacturer. It's equipped with a crisper drawer for preserving vegetables, handy if you're trying to snack healthy on the job. RCA brings decades of experience in producing high-quality products. This 2-door stainless steel fridge is no different. Featuring a total 3.2 cubic foot of cooling space, your fridge conveniently has 2 separate doors. The top doors opens the freezer where you will find lots of space to store all your frozen food. The bottom door opens the fridge, which features pull-out glass shelves and a vegetable drawer compartment. On the side of the door you will find a beverage can dispenser as well as a compartment to hold 2-liter bottles. The stainless steel finish is elegant and will add a richness to any room. This fridge is compressor cooled, so it will keep your food and drinks cold no matter what the outside temperature is. There is a temperature dial built in so you can keep your fridge at the perfect desired temperature level. The fridge is very quiet and CFC free, making it an environmentally friendly fridge. Ideal for a college dorm room, office, bedroom, or anywhere you need a high-quality fridge with freezer space. Built-in can dispenser. 5 temperature settings. Can build up frost quickly. Number 4. RCA-RFR 321 Purple 3.2 CUFT Compact Fridge, Mini Refrigerator. The RCA-RFR 321, AX, $190, is offered in 8 colors, including bright orange and purple, letting you add a splash of personality to your dorm room. The single door is reversible, meaning it can be opened on either side depending on where you put it. Stylish, features vibrant, bold, glossy colors. It adds a unique design to your home. Reversible doors, it is easy to fit in any spot of your dorm, kitchen, room or office. Adjustable thermostat control, easily control the thermostat with the control dial. From cool to cold to coldest. Even in hot weather, simply turn the knob and set it to your desired temperature. Fridge dimension, 17.5 WX 18.5/8 DX 31.5/8H 84L 3.2 cu foot inner space. Product weight, 50.7 pounds of freezer capacity, 0.2 cu foot refrigerant type, or 134A 1.77 Oz/50 G. Energy saving, energy efficient compressor cooling with an annual power consumption of up to 5 kW per hour. Holder for 2-liter bottles. Freezer is small. Doesn't get incredibly cold. Number 5. Kulialai 20L Mini Fridge. If you're seeking a portable unit that can be used for medication or skin care products while traveling, consider the Kulialai Concord, about $150. It weighs less than 14 pounds, so it won't be a huge hassle to carry back and forth from the car. The Concord 20 LDX Thermoelectric Cooler/Warmer/Wine Cooler Mini Fridge by Kulialai is sleek, compact and perfectly portable. This compact unit measures 11.25-inch WX 13.75 DX 16.25H and weighs 13 pounds, 12 ounces. The inner dimensions are 8.8-inch LX 9 DX 13.6H. Adjust and set your desired temperature with the simple touch of a button with the digital thermostat on the easy-to-read display. Use this cooler/warmer mini refrigerator as a beer and wine cooler, and to store food, snacks, drinks, breast milk, insulin, beauty and skincare products, and medications. Sleek, glass-front mini fridge is ideal to use at home, in the nursery, office and dorm room, and on road trips, vacation, and tailgate parties. Innovative semiconductor operation is energy efficient, ultra-quiet and 100% eco-friendly. The Concord is built to North American electrical standards. Please refer to the user manual before use. A 1-year limited warranty is provided.